Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. Sorry, it's been a while since I uploaded. I've been going through a lot of stuff recently, so yeah, so sorry. Like I said, I'll try to do better, but enough of that. Let's get into today's video. It says Dish debuts iPhone 14 for Boost Infinite postpaid service. So I don't know if you guys know, but Boost Infinite is basically the postpaid side of Boost Mobile, and they did not have iPhones, which is a big no-no. I think in my book, since iPhone's so popular, I use iPhone as well, and I like it, even though I do love Android as well. Like I said, I just got the Apple Watch, got the iPad, got the whole enchilada. So, but let's get into it, guys, and read these news. So it says it's been a tough week / month / year for Dish Network. So its ability to sell iPhone 14 with a postpaid Boost Mobile Infinite or Boost Infinite service may be a bit of a break, which they do definitely need. It says announced on Friday, the Boost Infinite offer now includes an Infinite Unlimited Plus subscription for $50 a month, which includes unlimited talk, text, and data. It's also for the first time offering the iPhone 14 on us with a device trade-in. Starting today, new customers can sign up for the Boost Unlimited Plus service at the Boost Infinite website. Oh, sorry guys, I had to sneeze, so I don't want to capture that on camera. Basically, like I said, you can get that on their website. The device trade-in is done online and through a shipping process, since Boost Infinite is primarily an online service versus being sold in a physical store. Kind of like what Boost Mobile is. Boost Mobile is more physical stores. They do have online, but Boost Infinite is mainly online only. So says we developed Boost Infinite to provide an outstanding customer experience and meaningful value to our members, while keeping things simple and straightforward, said Jeremy McCarty, head of Boost Infinite, in a statement. Now, with the introduction of Infinite Unlimited Plus, we are offering the best option for our members to get iPhone 14. We are excited to add iPhone 14 to our lineup with an impressive camera system, incredible battery life, and vital safety capabilities, which is basically talk about the SOS, will no service, crash detection, all that stuff. Like I said, I have the iPhone 14 Pro, and I do love the phone. It's a nice phone. So, for me using the phone months now, I would say it's definitely a go. It says the Infinite Unlimited Plus offer is different from the Infinite Unlimited package in that the latter does not include North America and international connection plans or access to special phone offers. Since Dish shares are down more than 9% at that point, at one point today, trading around $6.72. Wow. Earlier this week, S&P Global announced changes to its indices, including sorry, my head's starting to hurt, including resulting in Dish Network falling off of the SP 500 and being reassigned to the SP Small Cap 600 effective June 20. Wow. So they really have fallen from grace, like they say. Sorry, like I said, guys. So much stuff on my mind. But in March, Dish suffered a cyber attack that ended up costing it at least $30 million, and it's been hit with investor lawsuits. Plus, it's facing a deadline to come up with a $3.5 billion to buy 800 megahertz spectrum from T-Mobile or pay a penalty of $72 million to T-Mobile. Wow. It says Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite. So it says Dish has been offering prepaid service through Boost Mobile, but Boost Infinite is its postpaid brand, which Dish views as a more profitable model. It's been working for more than a year to get the postpaid brand ready for a wide-scale commercial rollout. Dish chairman Charlie Ergen acknowledged during the company's Q1 2023 earnings call last month that offering the iPhone 14 is important, and it'll be very difficult to be successful without it, basically. So it's worth noting that the iPhone 14 currently being offered through Boost Infinite isn't using Dish's own 5G spectrum, because, like I said, I think now at this point of the video or time of date, Dish does offer their own network for 70% of the United States. So the iPhone is not currently certified for our network, but we're working very closely with Apple to enable device support later this year, a Dish spokesman told Fierce. The iPhone for Boost Infinite will currently be supported on one of our nationwide 5G partners, which is either AT&T or T-Mobile. So since Dish has mobile virtual operator network, MVNO deals with both T-Mobile and AT&T, and is expected to rely on those arrangements until it's able to serve all its customers with his own voice-based service. Dave Mayo, Dish's EVP of network development, said last month that he's confident Dish will meet the deadline, which they did. You know, spoiler alert, they did meet it. But like I said, it's not everywhere. You know, so it's not everywhere, as you can see here on the map. So it's only on like portions of the country and stuff like that. So, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. A lot more videos coming your way. Like I said, I'm just kind of reading here, but overall, I think it's a good video for me to share with you guys. And like I said, more videos coming your way. So stay tuned for that. And thank you. And subscribe, comment, and check out the description below. Like I said, I'm sorry I don't feel the best today, but yeah, hopefully I'll get better. Thank you.